Hello, kids. I'm your superhero teacher. Today we will learn the alphabet from A to M with fun objects. Let's begin! This is the letter A. A is for apple. Apples are red and sweet. Say it. Apple. Spell it A-P-P-L-E. Apple. Here comes the letter B. B is for banana. Bananas are long and yellow. Say it. Banana. Spell it B-A-N-A-N-A. Banana. This is the letter C. C is for carrot. Carrots are crunchy and orange. Say it. Carrot. Spell it C-A-R-R-O-T. Carrot. Look, it's the letter D. D is for dog. Dogs are friendly animals. Say it. Dog. Spell it D-O-G. Dog. Here is the letter E. E is for elephant. Elephants are big and strong. Say it. Elephant. Spell it E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. This is the letter F. F is for fish. Fish live in the water. Say it. Fish. Spell it F-I-S-H. Fish. Here comes the letter G. G is for grapes. Grapes are small and sweet. Say it. Grapes. Spell it G-R-A-P-E-S. Grapes. This is the letter H. H is for house. A house is where we live. Say it. House. Spell it H-O-U-S-E. House. This is the letter I. I is for ice cream. Ice cream is cold and yummy. Say it. Ice cream. Spell it I-C-E-C-R-E-A-M. Ice cream. Here comes the letter J. J is for juice. Juice is fresh and healthy. Say it. Juice. Spell it J-U-I-C-E. Juice. This is the letter K. K is for kite. A kite flies high in the sky. Say it. Kite. Spell it K-I-T-E. Kite. Look, it's the letter L. L is for lion. The lion is the king of the jungle. Say it. Lion. Spell it L-I-O-N. Lion. This is the letter M. M is for mango. Mango is a sweet fruit. Say it. Mango. Spell it M-A-N-G-O. Mango. You did amazing. Give yourself a big clap. See you next time. Subscribe to Star Kids Academy.